In this video, I will be showing you how to disable the Windows Copilot Auto Start feature. Let's get started. First, I will show you how to turn this off using the Windows Task Manager. I move my cursor all the way down to the Windows taskbar at the bottom of the screen. I find an empty space on the taskbar, right-click on it, and from the context menu that pops up, I click on Task Manager. When the Task Manager window opens up, you will see a navigation menu along the left side. I move my mouse over to this left sidebar and click on the Startup Apps icon, which looks like a little speedometer. This brings up a complete list of all the applications that are configured to launch automatically as soon as Windows boots up. I slowly scroll down through this list, looking at the names of the apps, until I locate Microsoft Copilot. Once I find it, I click on it once just to highlight and select it. If you look closely at the Status column next to it, you can see it currently says Enabled. Now, I bring my mouse pointer up to the top right corner of the Task Manager window. Here, I click on the button that says Disable. Right after clicking that, I check the status column again, and you will see that the status for Copilot has successfully changed to Disabled. Now that this is done, I simply close the Task Manager window by clicking the X in the top right corner. There is also a second, alternative method to do this directly within the Copilot application itself, which I will walk you through now. I go ahead and open the Copilot application on my desktop. Once the Copilot interface is fully loaded, I direct my attention to the top left corner of the window. Here, I click on my user profile icon to bring up the account menu. From this drop-down list, I move my mouse down and click on Settings. This opens up the Preferences menu right in the center of the application. I look through these options for the specific setting labeled Auto Start on Login. Right next to it, there is a toggle switch that is currently green, meaning the Auto Start feature is active. I click this green toggle switch to turn it off. It turns gray, indicating the feature is now disabled. As you can see, you can easily click this toggle again if you ever change your mind and want to turn the Auto Start feature back on. But for our purpose today, I will click it once more to leave it in the off position. That completes both methods, and Windows Copilot will no longer start automatically. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.